Hello everyone, so ang pag-aaral natin ngayon is about interior and exterior angle of a regular polygon. So how can we find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon? So by using this formula, so the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees all over n, where your n is equal to the number of sides of a regular polygon. So para mahanap mo yung measure ng each interior angle ng regular polygon, ito lang ang yung gagamitin na formula. This one, okay? At yung n natin is the number of sides. Okay? So this is your regular polygon. So ang hanapin natin is the interior angles. O yung mga interior angles niya, ito, at ito. Of course, pwede din mahanap din natin yung sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon. Ito. Ito. Okay, yan ang mga hanapin natin. Marami yan. So again, anong tawag natin sa regular triangle? Anong klaseng triangle? By the way, what kind of triangle specifically? To be specific, that is equilateral triangle, because remember that equilateral triangle have equal measurements in there or on your sides and their angles. Tandaan mo that equilateral triangle have equal measurement in their angles and in their sides. And of course, kapag regular quadrilateral, that is, we are referring to square, because square have equal the angles and the sides have equal measurements. And this is your regular pentagon, hexagon. This is the regular heptagon. This is regular octagon, like regular nonagon, and this is your regular decagon. So tandaan mo lang yung dalawa, na ang regular triangle natin is equilateral triangle, and of course quadrilateral naman, regular quadrilateral, that is your square. Okay, here we will find the sum of interior angles of the regular polygon. In the first, dito muna is mag-start tayo sa ating equilateral triangle. So paano mo ba hahanapin ang sum? So by using the formula doon, ang gagamitin mo lang pero is yung nasa kanyang numerator, which is the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So by the way, kapag sum ang hinahanap natin is pinag-a-add natin ang mga angles na nasa loob ng ating equilateral triangle. Itong mga angles na to, ilan kaya ito kapag pinag-add natin? Ang gagamitin mo lang is yung nasa numerator na formula. Hindi mo muna isasali ang n, kasi ang hindi naman hinahanap ang bawat isa, yung each interior angle. Okay, start muna tayo. So again, the number of your n is the number of sides. Ilang sides ba meron ang equilateral triangle? So bilang natin 2 and 3. Thus the number of sides of equilateral triangle is equal to 3. Tandaan mo, the number of sides of equilateral triangle is equal to 3. So by substituting substitute lang natin ang 3 doon sa formula na binigay. Okay, so that is 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is equal to, what is 3 minus 2? That is 1. 1 times 180 degrees, and that is equal to 180 degrees. Thus the sum of the interior angles of equilateral triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Paano naman itong each interior angle? Ito lang ang hinahanap dyan, yung isa lang. Yung isa lang na nasa loob. Ilan kaya ang measurement nun? Ang gagawin mo lang naman is yung binigay kong formula kanina na n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n, where your n is the number of sides. Substitute natin. So that is, okay, nahanap naman na natin yung nasa taas, right? So isulat na natin yan. That is 180 degrees. Yan yung sum of the interior angle, yung nasa taas. And ilan yung n natin? 3. And thus, 180 degrees divide 3, that is equal to 60 degrees. Tapos na natin ang isang problem. Next. So, paano naman ang sum of interior angle of the square of a square? This is a regular quadrilateral and we are referring to a square. Okay, paano naman hanapin? Again, sum yung pinagsama-sama interior angles. So, ilan sides ba meron ng square? Kahit hindi na natin yan, alam mo naman na yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thus, that is 4 sides. So, gagawin mo lang, substitute to the given formula, and that is the quantity of 4 minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. And that is, what is 4 minus 2? That is 2 times 180 degrees. Sorry. Erase ko lang. And 2 times 180, yes, very good ka dyan. So that is 360. Thus, the answer for this problem is 360 degrees. So, huwag kalimutan na sulat ang degrees. So that is 360 degrees. And paano mo naman mahahanap ang each interior angle ng square? So, by dividing by the number of sides, yung sum ng interior angles. Okay? So, again, ilan yung nakuha natin dito sa numerator? That is 360 degrees. I-divide mo lang doon sa number of sides, which is 4. And that is equal to, very good, that is equal to 90 degrees. Kuhang-kuha mo na. Okay? And that is, tapos na naman natin ito. And may answer na to. Ipuprove na lang natin. Okay? So next is the sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon. So paano natin hahanapin yan? Ilan ulit ang sides ng ating regular pentagon? That is, your n, or the number of sides, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is 5-sided polygon, and that is 5 sides. So what is n minus 2 times 180 degrees? Substitute lang natin yan. So n is equal to 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. And that is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 degrees is, again and again. Palitan lang natin to para hindi pagtandaan po, pagkatabi yan and kinamitan lang siya ng parenthesis, multiplication yan. Okay, 3 times 180 degrees, that is equal to, ito na yung nahanap natin dito, 540 degrees. Okay, dito naman tayo. So the each interior angle of a regular pentagon, so that is, ilan yung sum? 540 degrees. I-divide mo lang doon sa number of sides ng regular pentagon. Ilan ba ang sides ng regular pentagon natin? That is 5. Kaya natin nakuha ang 108 degrees. Okay, I hope you understand the interior angle of a regular pentagon. And ito yung mga iba pang interior angles. The sum of interior angles and each interior angle. Pwede mong picturean and i-prove at pag-aralan. O ikaw naman daw sumagot dito sa each interior angle of a regular decagon o walang sagot. Ilan kaya yan? O, pwede mo ilagay yan sa comment section kung nasagutan mo na. And pwede mo din itong screenshot para pag-aralan. Again, ibibigay ko ng lahat. Okay? That's it. Now, we'll proceed with the exterior angle. Ano nga ba ang exterior angle? So, when one side of a polygon is extended in one direction, another angle adjacent to the interior angle of a polygon is called an exterior angle. Tandaan mo, ang exterior angle so meaning to say dito is makakapag-create tayo ng exterior angle by extending a sides or the side of a polygon in one direction. O kapag in-extend natin tong side na to in one direction, makakapag-create tayo ng exterior angle, which is ito yung angle na yon. Adjacent siya doon sa isang interior angle o yung nasa loob na angle, adjacent siya. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng adjacent? Yun yung, base dito, that is, ito yung adjacent means an angle lying to or lying next to each other with nothing in between. Meaning to say, ito yung angle na they share common vertex. Meron silang common vertex din. And of course, this is the angle nakasunod nung interior angle. Okay, tandaan mo yon. Have the same vertex and they share one side. Ito yung side na yon, yung ating in-extend. Ito. Tandaan mo, okay? Or lying to the next side or next doon sa ating interior angle. So that is your exterior angle. So, and of course, another angle adjacent to the interior angle of a polygon is called an exterior angle. Ito nga yung tinutukoy ko. Itong angle na to. O, sana naintindihan mo yung about sa exterior angle. And of course, another example here, extend lang din natin to. Makakapag-create tayo ng exterior angle which is adjacent doon sa ating isang interior angle. Ito sa angle na to. Okay? And here, we also we need to extend the other side of the regular pentagon and makapag-create tayo ng exterior angle. Which is adjacent to the interior angle, one of the interior angle of a regular pentagon. So that is the adjacent, which is adjacent, okay? So that is the exterior angle. Ito yung mga exterior angle, yung mga naka-black ni angles, o yung mark na ito, exterior angle yan, exterior angle. From the word itself, exterior, o kapag exterior, that is labas. Kapag interior, sa loob. Tandaan mo yun, exterior angle sa labas. Yun yung mga angles na nasa labas. And remember this one, that exterior angle is, ilan ba ang sum of exterior angle sa tingin mo of a polygon? Okay, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon, regardless of the number of sides, is always 360 degrees. Ito ay totoo both sa regular and irregular polygons. Tandaan mo yon. Yung mga exterior angle na kapag pinag-add natin sila, regardless of their sides, 360 degrees yun kapag total natin. Tandaan mo yung tandaan mo ito, okay? So magagamit natin to in the next video. Okay, I hope you understand what is adjacent angle, what is exterior angle and interior angles, and you can move on now para sa ating susunod na lesson. That's it.